Alright, guys, welcome to the channel again. I know it's been a long time, so hopefully now I've got all the other projects over, um, house projects, as well as other car projects that I've been doing for other people. So hopefully now I should have time to finish up my own project. So I know it's been like 2 months now, and definitely we need to get it running before Shedfest 2026, because we've been making a lot of noise about this car, and now obviously they need to see it at Shedfest. So we have until then to get it up and running. But while I've been off, I managed to get a new engine. As you can see, everything for the engine is over there. So that's everything we need to get this car running. And big shout out to Luke e30. He's the one that supplied the engine and all the bits needed to get the project moving. I know he must have been tired of also back and forth, but he's proper genuine guy to deal with. Helped us out a lot with the parts. Not only that, he's helped out the channel and given us new hydraulic handbrake, new steering wheel. So that's also just knocked off a couple of things off our list. And we got an LSD from him as well, which I don't think I'll be putting on the car anymore. I think I'm gonna go welded diff, because I think I've broken the LSD in my other car over the weekend. So that LSD will go into the car that I should be driving a lot more than a track car. So surely a track car doesn't need to have an LSD. Just a welded diff should be fine. And yeah, so let me crack on, lift up that, put it on a stand, and start stripping it out.
I don't know if you can see that scorpion as well.
So I don't know if you can see that, but I don't know last I've seen that clutch. Forgot to charge the gimbal, so that died. Oh, as you can see, we're wearing our own merch now, no longer wearing old company stuff. So we're representing our own merch now. So big shout out to Auto Uniform. They've supplied me with a whole set of uniform. So as you seen a couple of minutes ago, I was wearing a jacket. Now I've got jumper, cap. They sent me caps. They've sent me t-shirts, jumpers for the missus, jumpers for the kids as well. So everyone's repping Smurdy Autoworks merch, and sent me about t-shirts. Sorry if I didn't mention t-shirts. Sent me polo neck tops as well. So now on we'll be representing, no longer wearing other people's merch, just Smurdy Autoworks merch. So shout out to Auto Uniform again. Thank you for sending out, and if you guys can support them as much as you can. It's just, I won't say small, because they're pumping out volume. So but they are family owned, so it's always good to support family owned businesses. So just give them a shout out. I don't have a discount code, but just give them a shout out. Support them. Their turnaround is pretty quick. So I got more merch on order. Ordered just maybe 2 days ago. So because I got family members that want to be wearing the merch as well. So I say merch, but it looks like uniform. But yeah, let's get on with the work. Oh, right. Just spray some WD-40 on everything. I don't know how well you can see in the camera. There's rust everywhere. I think this engine must have been sitting in a field or something, while the car was sitting in a field, and there's just rust all over. So hopefully Mr. WD-40 will loosen up everything so we don't break anything, and won't need to be struggling with anything. So these exhaust bolts are going to be a problem. Then I must remember when I'm stripping or cleaning it, I need to put something down to clean it. Otherwise, I'll be sleeping in the doghouse. Right. Flywheel first. So, see, I think just could do it just a light skimming. No need to be buying a new one. Although we will be changing the clutch. The clutch is pretty wounded. Six. This. I think that Stromae song is in everybody's head now. I find myself singing it. My 3-year-old boy is singing it. My daughter's singing it. My wife's singing it. I think there's too much TikTok. Right, right. I don't know why the video cut out, and I didn't even notice. But I put it on the stand now, so I'm gonna start stripping it now and send off the rusted bits to get sandblasted, and then we can start putting this back together. So. I don't think we'll be using much of this harness because we'll be running a standalone ECU, so we won't be needing much of that. You know, I never really checked if the oil was drained. So right.